To fix the challenge required error on Instagram, follow these steps. First, understand what the challenge required error is. This error occurs when Instagram suspects that your account is being accessed by a robot or automated software, and it requires you to complete a challenge to prove you are a human. The first step is to try logging in from a different location or device. Sometimes the challenge required error can be triggered by your IP address or device, so trying a different one can resolve the issue. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it and see if that resolves the issue. The next step is to clear your Instagram app data and cache. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be causing the error. To do this, go to your phone settings, then Apps, then Instagram, and select Clear Data and Clear Cache. If the above steps do not work, try verifying your account. To do this, go to your Instagram profile, then Settings, then Account, and select Verify Account. Follow the prompts to verify your account, which may include providing identification or a phone number. Another step is to check your account activity. If you have been using automated software or have had multiple login attempts, it may have triggered the challenge required error. Review your account activity and make sure everything looks normal. Finally, if none of the above steps work, you may need to contact Instagram support. To do this, go to the Instagram Help Center, then select the Contact Us option, and follow the prompts to submit a request for help. Provide as much detail as possible about the issue you are experiencing, including any error messages you have received. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the challenge required error on Instagram and regain access to your account. Remember to always use best practices when using Instagram, such as avoiding automated software and keeping your account information up to date, to help prevent the challenge required error from occurring in the future.